And then, let us now move forward. So let's say you have already prepared all of the 4 weeks. So week 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let us now proceed to making our monthly income statement. As you can see here, there are 3 columns, which is covering for the period of February 21 to March 20. The other column is from March 21 to April 20, and the last column is for the April 21 to May 14. So in here, in this column, we will only use this one since we only have a data for this period. So type in all of the sales from week 1 to week 4. Say for example, you have 25,000 total sales for that month or for that period. And then the cost of goods sold for that is 10,000. And you paid wages, daily wages on your employees for the amount of 3,000 pesos. So, sales and then less cost of goods sold, then your gross profit is 12,000. And you have these expenses, which are supplies, office supplies, if you have bought pens and record books, and you also have this fuel costs. If you can still remember what we have input on our first weekly sales and expenses report, so transportation expense, which is 200 pesos, and so on and so forth. So the net income turns out to be 11,150 pesos. So this is now your monthly income statement. But this is not yet done. It's because you will be creating a formal income statement that looks like this. So again, type in your company name. Then, as of March 20, 2022, since the last day of this period is March 20. So copy all of the data you have input in this sheet. So 25,000 as the sales. Cost of goods sold is 10,000. Then 3,000 for the wages. And 400 for the office supplies. 250 for the fuel costs. And 200 pesos for the transportation cost. And that's it. It is equal in this sheet and also in this formal sheet. So in these other expenses, you can, if you have this, itemize all of the other expenses here. So type just whatever other expenses which is not used for these following items. Okay? So that's it. So to get a copy of this Excel file, on the description box, click on that and then you can see a link. Click that so that you can download this one. Okay, thank you for listening, and I hope I have provided you a simple to follow step-by-step process on how to create your weekly sales and expenses report down to the income statement. So good luck and see you on your management report presentation.